Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to go through some altcoins that I feel have an upside in 2022. Crypto is on the up and up, and 2022 is promising to be a massive year for cryptocurrencies, with some huge price increases predicted by some experts. In this video I'm going to go through 3 altcoins that I feel have an upside that could 3x, 5x or even 10x in 2022. So let's get into it. Okay folks, in this video we're going to do a test case of €1,000 invested into these 3 altcoins. We're in the start of the year, January 2022. I'm going to calculate each month the gains or losses, and I'll do a video each month and publish it on the channel and hopefully get a bit of feedback. Everything going well, there'll be more increases than decreases, so let's see how it goes. The first crypto we're going to look at is Ethereum, also known as Ether, ticker ETH. This altcoin has dropped in value over the last month. It's plummeted really. Some say it's crashed. It depends on what way you look at it. But at the moment it's probably good value. One Ethereum today is €2,294. And if we just jump into the chart here and look at the chart of the price history for the last month, if we go back to December here 2021, you can see the price was around just over €3,280, and throughout January the price has plummeted. It's crashed the whole way down to, at one stage it was €1912 for one Ethereum, and it's recovered a little bit, but in my opinion that's seriously undervalued. In my view, Ethereum could probably rise to €5,000 in 2022, maybe even 6,000. You could be looking at a 2 or 3x depending on what way things go in 2022 for Ethereum. It's one of the biggest altcoins. They've got a massive ecosystem. The price is pretty volatile. If we go to some other charts here, this is one of the websites, coinpriceforecast.com, and the price forecasts here are, as you can see, 2022 $2,583. It's already at that. But if you go forward to 2023, 4,445, I think it'll easily do that by late 2022. You're looking at, in my view, €5,000 for one Ethereum in 2022. And if we go to some of the historical prices here, if you go way back to, just to give you an idea, if you were lucky enough to invest in Ethereum back in 2016, you would have been able to buy in for about €11, 11.05 in October 2016, and then it went the whole way up to €1,136. So they were huge gains, and then of course it dropped again in price around 2019 back to 135, and then it just increased and it went skyrocketed really in 2020 and 2021. So it has been a really good investment, Ethereum. A lot of people have made a lot of money out of investing in it, and I think it's one of the altcoins of the future. I think it's up there with some of the top cryptocurrencies that has a definite use case and that can be used in the real world in finance, smart contracts. Obviously the NFT and mining is already been done, but it's huge. They're bringing in some AI apps also onto the Ethereum platform, so it's got a really good future in my opinion, and that's only going to help the price. I think it's going to 3x, no bother. In time, it's hard to predict. Some experts have made some crazy predictions, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. In the crypto world, anything is possible. Well, almost anything, I suppose, anyway. Okay, so let's check out the next crypto. Altcoin number 2 is Cilano. This crypto has seen some huge gains over the last 2 years. Absolutely massive gains. And I think it's undervalued at the moment. In the last couple of months it's dropped in price, and in the last month alone, if we go into the price chart here, it's down 42.78%. I think it's undervalued. I think it has some upside in 2022. It's got a massive NFT platform. It's been used by loads of people to purchase and sell NFTs, this Cilano token, and I think it's got a future use case. If we go back to the yearly chart here, you can go back to April 2021. You could have bought one Cilano. If we go back to May, one Cilano for 41.19 euros. It went the whole way up to 161 on September the 9th, 2021, and it climbed again at an all-time high to 225 for one coin, and it's plummeted really, and it's down 42% in the last month. If we go back to the yearly chart, the all-time chart, if you go back to 2020, you can see in September you could have bought one coin for 252. If you were lucky enough to invest back then, you done pretty well. But it just goes to show you the increases that can be made in crypto. I think this coin has an upside in 2022. It has a use case with the NFT platform. Loads of people are buying and selling NFTs using this coin, and it's become more and more popular. That has shown through its price and market cap have hugely increased over the last 2 years. So I would predict that this coin could 2 or 3x in 2022, in my opinion. Let's look at some other information on this coin. If we just click into an article here online, they estimate that one Cilano could possibly go up to $400 by 2022, and by 2023 they're predicting that possibly one Cilano could reach $450 in 2023. It's possible. It's quite possible. If we click into their website here, CilanoArt.net, this gives you the stats, the daily sales, 2,308, total sales over 600,000, and the daily volume that's been used of the coin, and the total volume that's available. So it gives you an idea of the use of this token. It's been widely used in the crypto market, and especially with NFTs. So let's check out the next token. Altcoin number 3 is Singularity.net. This crypto allows people to create, share and monetize AI services at scale. It's an artificial intelligence crypto that integrates artificial intelligence algorithms on the blockchain and lets people build out different apps, services, software and programs, and it has some massive plans. I think it's undervalued. If we just jump into the screen here and look at the price chart, in the last month it's down over 32%, but if we go to the yearly chart, it's up over 98% in a year. It's only 12 cent euros per coin, so it's pretty cheap. If we go to the all-time chart, if we go back to the all-time high was back in 2018. It was 84 cents per coin, and it's been pretty volatile in the last year. It's kind of, prices have went up and down, but it has a really cool team, this crypto, and they have some really good plans. And if we look at some other information here, they have some huge plans for integrating AI systems into healthcare, using it obviously on the blockchain, artificial general intelligence, loads of cool ideas, and it could be a crypto for the future. If we go to another one of the websites here with the price prediction, priceprediction.net here have some prices for Singularity.net, and in 2022 they estimate that one coin will be worth 58 cents dollars, and at the moment, as you can see, it's 12 cents, so that would be some nice gains if that turned out to be correct. But I think it has some upside in 2022, could maybe 2 or 3x up, but over the long term this altcoin could be one to watch. As you can see, by 2031 with the evolution of AI and the way the speed that things are being developed, and software and different AI platforms, robotics, especially in healthcare, and robots are now replacing humans in so many different use cases. This crypto could be one for the future. This website estimates that the price prediction in 2031 could be $16.05, so that would be some nice gains from 12 cent euros to $16.05 if you were holding on to this for the long term. So that's my 3 altcoin predictions picks for 2022. I'm going to invest, we're going to invest on a use case, on a test case, 333 euros into each altcoin, and I'll do a video each month to calculate the gains. Hopefully there won't be any losses. We'll see how it goes. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.